Good morning everyone, this is Who's Most Likely To with Social Group. Today we have here...
Hi guys, I'm Karen and I'm feeling nervous.
Hi guys, I'm Ken and I'm feeling happy.
Hi, I'm Ifanigo Gabriel Mendoza and I'm excited.
Hi, I'm Zay Nomali and I'm feeling good.
I'm Hans Rafael and I'm feeling excited too.
Hi, I'm Ron Nabi and I'm okay.
Hi, I'm Randy Saran. I'm feeling tired. So we have a bowl of questions which we will use this to point who we think the answer to the question is. Let's start.
Okay, the question is, who's most likely to make the first move?
Okay. 3,
3, 2, 1, go!
Uy, bakit ako?
Kenji!
Tato.
Yan kasi madami siyang lalaki.
Dami siyang boys. Next. Mga hamila.
Okay guys, next question.
Who's most likely to offer food to strangers?
3, 2, 1, go! Eva?
Eva.
Eva? Hindi kasi mabait si Eva.
Mabait si Eva eh.
Okay guys, next. Next question please.
who's most likely to ask someone out?
3, 2, 1, go! Run! Babaero sila. And then ito. Naami na ata.
Parang hindi nila.
Okay guys. Next. Ba't ako? Ikaw na muna. Saan mo muna?
Who's most likely to date their friend's ex?
Ano ba namin dyan?
Ano nangyari?
This guy.
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Uy!
Uy! Okay na yun. Walang masabi. Dinedate mo na ba? Ang ex ng friend?
Chill lang. Who's most likely to share their feelings to someone they just met?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Si Kenji.
Tato. Uy, bakit ako?
Okay guys. Next na. Pahawa na.
Ano yan?
Who's most likely to not confess a crime? 3, 2, 1, go! Si Ran?
Siran yan.
Pwede na. Okay. Next question guys. Sayo naman. Ito. Ang munting prinsipe.
Who's most likely to confess to their crush first?
Tato!
3, 2, 1, go! Kailan? Kanina na! Next set.
Karen.
Next set, Karen. Oh no.
Who's most likely to shout in public for transport?
3, 2, 1, go! Si Kenji. Parang kahit wala siya sa public. Sabihin na siya ba? Nagmumotor naman siya.
Oo, tambuchin sumisip.
Next question please. 2 more questions left.
Tato. Who's most likely to do something embarrassing in public?
Ano bang embarrassing something? Sa tingin mo?
Yun, embarrassing yun.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Kasi sa ayan, parang wala pang...
Parang si Genji.
Bakit?
Ewan ko lang. Feeling ko lang.
Uy,
Tato mo lang. Puro tatot. Next. Nagraralo kami.
Sino nagraralo ng amulas dito?
Who's most likely to approach and talk to a random person?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. 0-1. Tatanong siya ng mga babae. Kaso daw yan na ata siya. Last question. Pa-suspense mo siya.
Who's most likely to get imprisoned first?
Okay guys?
3, 2, 1.
Ayan. Ito.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.